Common missteps. Navigating countable and uncountable nouns. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive into the world of countable and uncountable nouns, particularly focusing on the common mistakes and exceptions you might encounter when using them. Whether you're just starting your journey in English or refining your skills, it's crucial to understand these countable and uncountable nouns because they significantly influence our language, especially when it comes to grammar and sentence construction. First, let's do a quick recap. Countable nouns are individual objects, people, or places which can be counted. Words like cat, book, and apple are countable nouns because you can have one, two, or more of them. Uncountable nouns, on the other hand, are usually the things that we can't count with numbers. They may be feelings, ideas, or substances like milk, music, or love. We can't have 2 milks or 3 musics in the same way we can have 2 cats or 3 books. Now, let's delve into some common mistakes that learners often make with countable and uncountable nouns. Subsection 1. Incorrect use of quantity expressions. One common error is the incorrect use of quantity expressions. With countable nouns, we use many, few, a few, several, a couple of, and number of. With uncountable nouns, we use much, little, a little bit of, a piece of, a lot of, and amount of. It's incorrect to say many music or much cats. Instead, say much music and many cats. Subsection 2. Misuse of articles. Another mistake involves the misuse of articles a and n. These are used with singular countable nouns, not with uncountable nouns. You can't say a furniture or an advice. Instead, use a measure word, like a piece of advice or a piece of furniture. English is full of exceptions and tricky cases, and it's the same with countable and uncountable nouns. Subsection 1. Nouns that can be both countable and uncountable. Some nouns can be both countable and uncountable, but the meaning may change. For example, glass can be countable when referring to a drinking container, 2 glasses of water, but uncountable when referring to the material. The window is made of glass. Subsection 2. Uncountable nouns used as countable. Occasionally, uncountable nouns can be used as countable nouns to refer to different types or measures of that thing. For instance, coffee is usually uncountable, but if you are at a cafe and say, 2 coffees, please, you're essentially asking for 2 cups of coffee. Understanding countable and uncountable nouns, their common mistakes and exceptions can be tricky, but with consistent practice, you'll master it. Remember, the key to learning is practice, so don't shy away from making mistakes. They're just stepping stones on your path to becoming fluent in English. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy learning!